So pathologists should not fear AI for sure. Pathologists should fear not to adopt AI very, very soon. I really like the concept of working in synergy with AI tools. And the secret is because although we love these tools and we understand they are necessary and can improve our performance, they are not perfect. And since they are not perfect and they cannot replicate the work that we do in a satisfactory way, we need to be there. There are softwares that can specifically help us in diagnosis a certain type of disease. But for each organ, there are dozens of diseases. So how come we can control this? We can control this in a synergic way. The pathologist sees how he can integrate the disease, and then, if adequate, he can use the AI tool for it. So probably this is the safest way to go, at least for now, while AI tools are specific for disease of a certain organ.